Is your Fisher Paykel dishwasher not draining properly? Don't worry. This troubleshooting guide will help you identify the most common causes and get your dishwasher working again. Modern Fisher Paykel dishwashers from 2020 onwards include advanced diagnostic systems. If your dishwasher displays error codes like F1 for drainage timeout or F2 for pump motor problems, take note of these codes as they help pinpoint the exact issue. Recent service data shows the most frequent drainage problems. Filter clogging accounts for 45% of cases, primarily due to increased home cooking. Garbage disposal integration issues make up 30%, hard water mineral buildup 20%, and hose deterioration 5%. The filter system is the most common source of drainage problems. Located at the bottom center of your dishwasher, the cylindrical filter assembly captures food particles and debris that can block proper drainage. Garbage disposal integration issues account for 30% of drainage problems, particularly in newer home installations. The dishwasher drain hose must be properly connected with the correct elevation and high loop configuration to prevent backflow. Start your troubleshooting by following these initial steps. Check for standing water, listen for pump sounds during the drain cycle, note any error codes, verify your garbage disposal works if connected, and inspect visible hose connections. These steps will help identify the specific area causing the drainage problem. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can identify which component is causing your drainage issue. In the next section, we'll cover the detailed repair procedures for filters, pumps, and hoses to get your Fisher Paykel dishwasher draining properly again. Now we'll walk through the systematic repair process for Fisher Paykel dishwasher drainage issues. We'll cover three main components: filters, pumps, and hoses. Phase 1 focuses on the multi-stage filtration system. Fisher Paykel dishwashers use coarse, fine, and microfilters to trap debris at different stages. Here's the filter assembly diagram. The cylindrical cage-like component is the coarse filter, while the fine and microfilters work together to catch progressively smaller particles. Follow these steps for proper filter maintenance. Start by removing the bottom dish rack to access the filter assembly. Unscrew the cylindrical filter by turning counterclockwise, then separate the individual filter components. Clean the filters thoroughly under hot water, using a soft brush to remove debris. For stubborn mineral deposits, soak the filters in a white vinegar solution for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the filters are clean and dry, reassemble them in reverse order. Now let's move to pump inspection. Phase 2 involves inspecting the pump assembly. The pump is responsible for both washing and draining, so proper function is critical. This pump and motor assembly shows the key components. The metal housing contains copper windings, and you can see the various hardware, including clamps, electrical connectors, and seals. To inspect the pump, first access the housing according to your specific model. Check the impeller for any debris or physical damage that could prevent proper operation. Use a multimeter to test the motor's electrical continuity, and carefully inspect all pump seals for signs of leakage or deterioration. If the pump tests show proper continuity and the impeller moves freely, the issue likely lies in the drainage hoses or connections. Phase 3 examines the drain hose system and garbage disposal connections. Proper hose routing and connections are essential for drainage. This diagram shows the critical high loop configuration. The drain hose must loop up to counter height before connecting to prevent dirty water from backing up into the dishwasher. When connected to a garbage disposal, verify that the knockout plug has been removed from the disposal inlet. Check that hose clamps are properly tightened and test the disposal operation. Regular preventive maintenance can prevent most drainage issues. Inspect and clean filters monthly, perform deep cleaning quarterly, and schedule annual professional inspections for optimal performance. By systematically checking filters, pumps, and hoses in this order, you can resolve most Fisher Paykel dishwasher drainage problems effectively and safely.